Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the structural elucidation of reserpine. Reserpine is an alkaloid and this is the structure of reserpine. The molecular formula of reserpine is C33H40N2O9. The nature of nitrogen atoms, as you can see here, it is secondary and it is tertiary. And this is secondary in nature. So you can prove this by two tests. First is acetylation or benzoylation. We get acetyl or benzoyl derivatives. So we can say there is a nitrogen atom. With nitrous acid it gives a nitroso compound and this shows that there is a secondary amino group. And the IR spectral studies clears that this nitrogen is in indole nucleus. Methyl iodide, reserpine gives a quaternary salt, that is reserpine methiodide. This shows that another nitrogen atom is tertiary in nature. So there are two nitrogen atoms in reserpine. One is secondary and the other one is tertiary in nature. And the presence of 5 methoxy groups. It is the common Ciesel's method. With hydroiodic acid, it gave 5 molecules of methyl iodide. The reaction is reserpine with 5HI gives 5 methyl iodide. So we can say that reserpine has 5 methoxy groups. The next is hydrolysis. With alkali, it gave methanol, 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzoic acid and reserpic acid. So this is reserpine. This is on hydrolysis. With alkali, we get reserpic acid with molecular formula C22H28N2O5 and 3,4,5 trimethoxybenzoic acid and methanol. So to know the structure of reserpine, we should learn the structure. We should find the structure of reserpic acid. So we know this is the structure of reserpic acid. The extension from this oxygen OCO and another trimethoxybenzene ring is absent here, and here instead of methyl group there is H. So this is the structure of reserpic acid, and the structural elucidation is molecular formula is C22H28N2O5. The nature of nitrogen atom is the same here, a secondary NH indole nucleus and a tertiary nitrogen. So with acetylation or benzoylation, we know that there is a nitrogen atom. With nitrous acid gave a nitroso compound. So it is a secondary amine. And with IR studies, it is confirmed that this NH is in indole nucleus. In the next step, we add methyl iodide and we get a quaternary salt. And this shows there is also another nitrogen atom which is tertiary in nature. The presence of one hydroxyl group. On acetylation or benzoylation, it gave diacetyl or dibenzoyl derivative. So on oxidation, we get a monoketone. This means that one acetyl, it gives two acetates. One acetate is due to the nitrogen atom, secondary nitrogen, and the other is due to this OH group. And this OH on oxidation gave a ketone, so the alcohol is secondary alcoholic in nature. The OH group is secondary alcoholic in nature. The next is presence of one carboxylic acid group. It forms monosodium salt with alkali, so that is NaOH. And it also forms monoester with an alcohol. So we can say that there is one carboxylic acid group, and presence of 2 methoxy group. It is confirmed by Ciesel's method. With hydrogen iodide, we got 2 methyl iodides. So this shows the presence of 2 methoxy groups in reserpic acid. Oxidation of reserpic acid. Oxidation with potassium permanganate gave 4 methoxy N-oxalyl anthranylic acid. Oxidation of reserpic acid with KMnO4 gave 4 methoxy N-oxalyl anthranylic acid. So the reaction is reserpic acid with oxidation give 4 methoxy 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methoxy N-oxalyl anthranylic acid. Reduction of reserpic acid. On reduction with, in oxidation we can confirm that presence of indole nucleus. On reduction, with lithium aluminium hydride, we get an alcohol, reserpic alcohol. On the basis of these facts, the structure of reserpic acid confirmed as follows. This is the structure of reserpic acid, confirmed by the above said facts. So now we know the structure of reserpine. So it is easy to find the structure of we know the structure of reserpic acid. So it is easy to study the structure of reserpine. We know reserpine is a diester of reserpic acid. So reserpic acid on reaction with methanol and 3,4,5-trimethoxybenzoic acid, it forms an ester. This methanol adds to this acid COH, replacing the OH and hydrogen here, we get COOMe, and to this alcohol, this acid group COOH adds and water is removed with the formation of reserpine. So this is the structure of reserpine. This structure is further confirmed by the synthesis. So the synthesis is proposed by Woodward. The starting materials are para-benzoquinone and 2,4-pentadienoic acid. So as you can see, this is a Diels-Alder reaction. I have put the arrow for understanding. This arrow shifts here, forming a bond with CH, and this arrow shifts here, forming a double bond here, and this bond shifts, forming a bond with this carbon. You can see in this structure. The next step is reduction with sodium borohydride, reduction of the less hindered carbonyl group. So this double bond O group is reduced to OH, and in the next step we are adding benzoic acid. We get a per-benzoic acid. So this double bond forms a bond with oxygen. So now we get per-benzoic acid here, and this on treatment with acetic anhydride loses water, a hydrogen from here and OH from this COOH is removed as water by the anhydride, and you can see how the bond is formed between this OH and this COOH. And now we treat with aluminium isopropoxide. We get this structure. And the next step, there is removal of water, OH and hydrogen from this carbon. We get a double bond here, and then treatment with CH3ONA and methanol. We get the OCH3 methoxy group substituted at this position. Now we are adding N-bromosuccinamide and sulfuric acid. So a bromine is substituted at this position, and an OH is substituted in the ortho position to bromine. And then oxidation with CrO3. The OH is oxidized to a ketone, double bond O. Next step is reaction with zinc and acetic acid. The bromine is removed, and this bond breaks, and this forms OH here. And now treating with diazomethane, acetic anhydride in pyridine, and osmium tetroxide water. We get OH, OH in both sides of the double bond, and OAC, acetate, replacing this OH, hydrogen, and COOCH3. Further treatment with periodic acid and diazomethane, we get this compound. This is then treated with 6-methoxytryptamine. We get an intermediate, and then again reduction with sodium borohydride and methanol. A ring with this nitrogen is formed, double bond O, and then treatment with POCl3 and sodium borohydride. Again, this ring is also closed, and resolving this structure, sodium hydroxide treatment and HCl, we get this compound. This on treatment with methanol and trimethoxybenzoyl chloride, we get reserpine. This is the structural elucidation of reserpine. Hope you guys understood the structural elucidation of reserpine. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.